With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 cm multiplied by 20 cm multiplied by 5 cm and the smaller of dimensions 15 cm multiplied by 12 cm multiplied by 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 cm square, so we have to find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. As we know that the formula for the total surface area of a cuboid is twice of LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. So the total surface area of bigger box will be equal to twice of L is 25 multiplied by B is 20 plus B is 20 multiplied by H is 5 plus L is 25 multiplied by H is 5. So on calculating this, we have twice of 500 plus 100 plus 125. So the total value comes out to be 1450 centimeter square. Okay, and it is given that for overlapping 5% of total surface area is required. Okay, so it comes out to be 5 by 100 multiplied by 1450 in centimeter square. So for overlapping, the value comes out to be 72.5 centimeter square. Okay, so the total surface area including the overlap for one box will be 1450 plus 72.5 in centimeter square. So the value comes out to be 1522.5 centimeter square. Okay, so now we have to find the total surface area, that is the TSA of smaller box. So that will be twice of L is 15 into B is 12 plus 15 into 5 plus 12 into 5. So on calculating, the area comes out to be 630 centimeter square. Okay, and for overlapping, as that is 5%, so it comes out to be 5 by 100 multiplied by 630, that comes out to be 31.5 centimeter square. Okay, so the total surface area of small box including overlaps would be 630 plus 31.5. So the area comes out to be 661.5 centimeter square. Okay, so as these are the area for one cardboard, okay, one box. So now we have area of big box as 1522.5 centimeter square and area of small box as 661.5 centimeter square. Okay, so the total area of 250 big and smaller boxes will be 250 multiplied by 1522.5 plus 661.5. So this value comes out to be around 380625 plus 165375. So the total area of cardboard comes out to be 5,46,000 centimeter square. Okay, and it is given to us that the cost of 1000 centimeter square cardboard is rupees 4. So for 1 centimeter square it will be rupees 4 by 1000. So the total cost of cardboard comes out to be 4 by 1000 multiplied by 5,46,000. So the total cost comes out to be rupees 2,184. Okay, so this is the total cost of cardboard for making the boxes. So this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.